Okay, this is for Clifford's Voodoo Doll, and it's really funny because I just looked at my Snapchat, and I have a Snapchat from you, so I'll reply to that after I'm done with this. Okay. Hey, I ship you with Lashton because you look so freaking perfect. Sorry, I don't really swear out loud that much. Okay, sorry. Looks so effing perfect. With either of them. Share your prettiness too, please. Thanks. Winky face. Okay, well, I love Ashton. I've only been shipped with Luke like 3 times in my whole entire life. That really doesn't make sense, knowing I've only been a fan with them. What am I talking about? Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah, I don't get shipped with Luke that much, but thank you very much. It's pretty clear that I ship you with Michael, and if someone who doesn't probably is blind, I don't know. Best friend, I would definitely have to say Callum, yeah. And okay, yeah, Callum, I see it. And I love your hair so much, and the way that you do your eye makeup. And I'm going to reply to your Snapchat right now. This might be weird, but I love your shirt and your video ships. Ha ha ha. So, hold on, let me cover this up so you don't see this. Snapchats are a surprise. Okay, we're good. Okay. So let's see how long this has been. Oh, you almost had the longest ship. Almost. Alright. I'll see you on Snapchat, friend.